Hello. Today we are going to discuss about Microsoft Copilot Pro. Before that, if you're watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a video. Let's discuss about Microsoft Copilot Pro. So, what Copilot Pro can do? Basically, it uses AI features like LLM model chat GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo. Using that, it will help to create more features like you can create images. Like here you can see using a text prompt, you can create an image in Microsoft Copilot Pro, and also whenever you write a documents or creating any word files with confident, you can use Copilot Pro to generate a draft or summarize. If you want to, if you give any rough draft, it will give the summarize and help you to rewrite your content. This is one of the features they have included here. And also, when creating your presentations, you can use Copilot Pro in your PowerPoint. It will help you to generate outlines, design slides, and organize the content for the perfect story. Okay, this is another feature. And also streamline your inbox. So in the Outlook also, you can use Copilot Pro to summarize the long thread, or it will suggest you the reply message, how you can reply to the thread, email thread. And also it will help you to draft a email with the right tone. This is another feature they have included. And one more thing, get organized with improved note taking. So it will help you to take a note. One note helps you to create, organize, and rewrite or summarize and search with your list and listers and notes. This is one more feature they have included. And the last but not least, that is the compile data in less time. So whenever you're working with Excel, the Copilot Pro will help you to generate formulas or analyze the data and summarize the data and add helpful visualization to spread sheets. This will help you to understand the insights about the Excel data, because for writing Excel formula, it may difficult, right? So if a person who has master in the Excel, they can easily calculate the formula, write the formula, and do the analysis. So if you are new to the Excel, then it really difficult to analyze the data, right? So here Copilot Pro will help you to generate formulas based on how you are looking for, how to analyze the data, how you want to summarize the data, how you are expecting to visualize the data. For that, it will help you. I will quickly show you the demo. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and try the Microsoft Copilot Pro.